Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on profile on the right top. Here you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then you simply need to click on settings. So once you are here, you simply need to click on see more in account center. Okay, and here you need to click on the personal details, and in the bottom you can see account ownership and control. You simply need to click on that, and here you can see deactivation or deletion. Click on that option. So you simply need to select your account. So here you can see deactivate account, delete. So I want to delete. Click on that and click on continue. So here you need to click on continue again, and so you can select the reason. Click on continue and click on continue again. So before you delete so this is the information that if you want you can transfer, but click on continue. Here you need to enter your password to continue. So let me hide my password, but I do not want to enter password here because it will show. And after that you simply need to click on continue. Once you click on continue, after that you see an option to delete your account. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.